my channel. And today we are at Palolem and we're going for the boat ride, island hopping. So the boat person has actually promised to take us around Butterfly Beach, Honeymoon Beach, and a few other places as well. So this is a shared boat, and for 3 of us, that is 2 adults and 1 child, we're paying him around 1,200 rupees. But of course this is slightly off season, so maybe on season it could be a little more than this. And you can also in fact hire a private boat as well, and so they can maybe drop you off and then pick you up later. But then we decided not to do that because we have other plans for the day, so we thought we'll go on a shared boat, finish it. I think the entire thing will take about maybe 1.5 hours, and we'll head back. And so let me see. Hopefully we spot some dolphins, because that is what the boat guy promised us. I think this boat ride itself is all about dolphin spotting mainly. Currently it is around 7 o'clock in the morning. It is quite chill, and it's not windy though, but it's quite chill. And this is the view, guys. Here at Palolem you have lots and lots of friendly beach dogs. So the sharks are gearing up for breakfast. So they're setting up their menu. So that's our boat right there.